Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of August 28, 2021. The first question is, which of the following counter-terrorism exercise was conducted by the National Security Guard? The options are A. Gandhi, B. Yuddha Abhyas, C. Talwar, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Gandhi. And the second question is, which of the following organization has made world's first fossil-free steel? The options are A. G, B. Hybrid, C. 11.5, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Hybrid. Hybrid has made world's first fossil-free steel. The third question is, who among the following has won 2 Terrace D Trans OS Montes Chess Open 2021? The options are A. Gukesh Dhananjay, B. Harshit Raja, C. Arjun Erigaisi, and D. Amit Doshi. And the correct answer is C. Arjun Erigaisi. And the fourth question is, who among the following has been appointed as brand ambassador for Samsung India? The options are A. Ranbir Kapoor, B. Akshay Kumar, C. Ananya Pandey, and D. Alia Bhatt. And the correct answer is D. Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt has been appointed as brand ambassador for Samsung India. And the fifth question is, which of the following banks have partnered with FREVO to launch a saving account named FREVO Save? The options are A. Equitas SFB, B. Ujjivan SFB, C. Capital SFB, and D. Janalakshmi SFB. And the correct answer is A. Equitas SFB. FREVO is an India's first credit-led neobank. It has partnered with Equitas Small Finance Bank to launch FREVO Save accounts. Neobank FREVO launches savings account offering 7% interest rate on a minimum balance of 1 lakh rupees. The sixth question is, which of the following organizations have launched a new credit program to assist kiranas and retailers? The options are A. Amazon Pay, B. Flipkart, C. Google, and D. Agio Business. And the correct answer is D. Flipkart. The seventh question is, which of the following organizations have launched a AI-enabled chatbot named Arja? The options are A. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, B. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, C. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, and D. Essar Petroleum Limited. And the correct answer is C. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Bharat Petroleum have launched a AI-enabled chatbot named Arja. And the eighth question is, which of the following states have signed a MOU with 37 microfinance lenders? The options are A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. Haryana, and D. Delhi. And the correct answer is A. Assam. Assam have signed a MOU with 37 microfinance lenders for the joint implementation of Relief Scheme 2021. The ninth question is, Sandeep Bakshi is reappointed as CEO of which of the following banks? The options are A. Axis Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. Bandhan Bank, and D. ICICI Bank. The correct answer is D. ICICI Bank. Sandeep Bakshi is reappointed as CEO of ICICI Bank. The 10th question is, O. Chandrasekharan passes away recently. He is renowned for which of the following sports? The options are A. Cricket, B. Football, C. Badminton, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Football. He is a former Indian footballer from Kerala. He was dead at the age of 86. The 11th question is, who among the following have won the International Table Tennis Federation Sage International Open 2021? The options are A. Manika Batra, B. G. Satyan, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. G. Satyan. And the 12th question is, which of the following organization has signed MOU to provide reserved services in 3 airports of India? The options are A. Reliance, B. GMR, C. Adani, and D. both PNC. And the correct answer is C. Adani. Adani Group has signed MOU to provide reserved services in 3 airports of India. The airports to provide reserved services are Guwahati, Jaipur, and Tirunanthapuram. The one-liners today are, Tripura renews agreement with Bangladesh government for power export. SBI General Insurance to cover Ayushman Bharat Sarbat Sehat Bima Yojana in Punjab. India will host the 6th IBSA Summit in September 2021. Former England cricketer Ted Dexter passes away. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.